Hello everyone. Today, many of the business owners are more inclined towards starting a new business selling the products online. The reason is quite obvious because more of the people are ordering the things online due to COVID-19. The world is sufferer of it and people are following more social distance and they are preferring online ordering the things. This is rising the need of the e-commerce industry. This website we have developed in the recent COVID lockdown, and this is really getting a good success in the US market. Now, why it is different, why it's trending good, and how the things is marketing very well here is we have taken care of all the modern layout onto it, and we have over the traditional layout and traditional website design. We have taken care of the responsive view so that it looks like a mobile application when someone is opening in the browser. So with a lesser budget and without the use of the mobile application, you can market your products online, and that gives a feel of the mobile application at the same time. So you can see the complete website looks like a professional one. We have scaled it to a greater level, and when people comes, they love going through the entire products. When you are going to see it into different gadgets that are truly stand alike and give a truly good review altogether. So this is one of the view of iPhone 6, 7, 8, and see how exactly it stands good in the iPhone as well. People can browse onto it, and it like a mobile applications. If you want to look into a particular product, you can simply go into it and you can see like how we have explained the product very well, and how we have taken care of scaling it to a greater level. We have the different website. This one is actually developed in Shopify, and we have the other website which is developed in Magento. We have taken care of the modern and elegant layout so that the people can come and get engaging content out of it. So this one is also responsive, and this one is also responsive. We have taken care of different payment gateways so that people can come and pay in different payment modes, whether it is PayPal or credit card or debit card. We accept all kind of the payment gateway through it, whether it is iPad or iPad Pro or any gadgets. It stands alike and looks very much modern, and look very much alike onto it. Well, apart from that, we have a rich backend of it, but as it is on the client server, we'll not be able to tour you on the backend. But I assure you, when you're going to see the backend, you'll love it because backend is also organized very well. You can even put the products very instantly, and even a layman who is coming to your company, they can give the responsibility. They can be given with the responsibilities, and they can put the products online. We have taken care of the responsive view in the admin as well, and we have taken care of all the promotional activities, and as the client demanded, we break the complete task into different segments, and a smaller goals is achieved on together. So we use the agile methodologies to perform the best work around, and to deliver it to the client expectations. So it can be next to you. I wish you all the best, and if you really like our work, you can come and we can connect online, and we can discuss further on this. Thank you.